Hey guys, what is up? So in this video we'll be solving some of the challenges in the miscellaneous category of the Tenable CTF challenge. So let's start with the first one, which is called esoteric. Okay, so this looks similar to an esoteric language called brainfuck. So let's copy it out, and I have an amazing website called tio.run. So what this website does is that it gives you a bunch of tools to decode your language. It is similar to CyberChef. So let's type brainfuck. So this is it. Let us copy in our in code, and wait, let's try it in the input one. And this is it. This is the flag fall challenge. What the fuck is brainfuck? Let's submit it. Now let's start the second one. It is called Reggie McGrex. So the description says that find the flag in the attached file containing a haystack, not including the quotes. The flag will be in the format of flag. Here is the flag. The text between the curly braces can consist of lowercase characters and underscores to be a maximum length of 16. So we are looking for lowercase characters, underscores, and the maximum length can be of 16 characters. So let's download it. Let's move the contents to our current working directory. Let's nano the contents. Okay, so this is a large file as I'm seeing it. So let's try gedit. Okay, so looks like the file was too large for gedit to handle. Since we know what we are looking for, we can straight away go with the regular expressions. We can use grep for regular expressions. So let's cat haystack and let's pass in grep tag o because we only want the matching characters and we want to exclude the rest. We're looking for flag, we're looking for a curly bracket, then we're looking for small case characters, we're looking for an underscore, and we're looking for an underscore, and the maximum length could be 16. We don't know about the minimum length, so we are leaving it. So let's put a comma, and the maximum length is 16. There we go. And the last curly bracket. Now this is not a part of the regular expression, this curly bracket, so we'll be escaping it, and this as well, and we'll be redirecting the output to our output.txt file. Okay, so I forgot to place quotation marks, so this is it, the quotation mark, and this should be it. Let's try gedit output.txt. These are all the file, these are all the matching characters. This is not it, this is not it, this is it. So thy flag is this. So let's slap in the flag. This is it. Now the next challenge is quit messing with my flags. So this flag is an accident. What is it really supposed to be for 25 points? So there are a bunch of characters between these curly brackets. So let's try CyberChef. Well, I'm guessing that it could be one of the bases, and it could also be hex because the characters are between 1 to 9 and A to F. So let's start with base. No, not it. This is not it. 62, 85, no. Let's try with hex. This is not it. So after all this, there is one more thing to try out. Let's use a crack station, as this could also be a hash. So let's paste it over here. I'm not a robot. Crack hashes. So this is it. This was an MD5 indeed. So flag, the password, and this is it. So the next challenge is find the encoding. So again we'll try CyberChef to look for the encoding. So basically encoding could be bases, so let's try with bases first. Base 32, not it. Base 58, yeah, this is it. So the flag is not base 64, so let's slap that in. Okay, let's slap that in. So this is it, this is for the challenge. So thank you guys, this is it for the video. I hope you liked it. So if you did like it, please press on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.